Hello viewers. So today I'm going to deliver a lecture on mediation and moderation analysis. So first of all, what is mediation and moderation analysis? It is a very important analysis in structured equation modeling when you are undertaking structured equation modeling, particularly in MOS or any other software like MPLAS. So mediation and moderation analysis examines the indirect effect among different variables. For instance, if we have three variables and we want to see the interaction effect or the indirect effect of the relationship between several variables, that is three variables, then we use the mediation and moderation analysis. In mediation analysis, there can be a prior relationship between two variables. Suppose we have two variables and their relationship is impacted by a third variable. So then it can be both mediation and moderation analysis. For instance, in mediation, if there is a relationship between A and B and there is a third variable C. So if there is a relationship between A and B and their relationship is impacted by a third variable C, then it is called partial mediation. However, there is no relationship between A and B and there happens to be a relationship between A and B due to the presence of a third variable C, then this is called full mediation. On the contrary, in moderation analysis, there has to be a prior relationship between two variables A and B, and then we can check the moderating effect of a third variable. So if we have three variables, that is A and B, which is have a significant relation between the two variables, then C, if C is impacting the relationship between A and B, then it is called moderation. So moderation only affects the strength of the relationship, that is, it can affect the direction of the relationship. It can either increase the relationship or decrease the relationship. However, in mediation we have seen that there may not be a relationship between A and B. However, due to mediation of a third intervening variable, there can be a relationship between two variables. So I will be giving you a simple illustration in my whiteboard. So please do watch it. So here I'll show you mediation first. Here mediation we have two variables A and B and the third variable, intervening variable C. So in mediation what happens is that these two variables can be either significantly associated or not associated. So instance, for example, if this is significantly associated, that is, there is a relationship between A and B and its relationship is impacted by a third variable. See, this is a mediation analysis. So in this case there is already a relationship between A and B. Then if C is found to be significantly impacting the relationship between two, then it is called a partial mediation. Okay, partial. It's really crystal clear. So there is already a relationship, that is partial relationship between A and B, and again there is a mediating variable which is impacting the relationship, that is C. So it is a partial mediation. However, there is no relationship, that is full mediation. Full mediation. Full mediation means there is no relationship between A and B, right? However, due to a third variable, that is the mediating variable C, there happens to be a relationship between A and B. This is called full mediation. Now next is moderation. Moderation analysis. So moderation analysis is done in this way: A, B. So in moderation analysis, what happens is that there has to be a relationship between A and B. Firstly, significant relationship has to be there. There has to be a significant relationship between A and B. So if there is a moderation analysis, a third variable can impact their relationship. C variable will impact the strength of this relationship. Strength can direction. Strength and direction. So this C, the moderating variable, will impact the strength and direction of the relationship between A and B. This is moderation analysis. So it says that there has to be a relationship, primary relationship between A and B. However, their relationship may improve or increase or decrease or change in direction, that is positive or negative. Okay, so the conclusion is like that. If there is a moderation analysis, C has been found to be significant, then we write there is a moderating effect of a variable, of this variable, between these two variables, and there is a positive moderation or negative moderation. However, in mediation analysis, we conclude in a different way. A, B, C. Okay. The conclusion is that if there is no relationship between the two, that is, C mediates the relationship between A and B, and the magnitude of mediation is full. The strength of the mediation is full mediation. However, there is a relationship, partial relationship between A and B, and there is also a mediating relationship by C. Then we say that the strength of the mediation is small or full. Other one is full. So that's it.